Let's celebrate Mother Earth and all of her offerings as a community. That means collaborating with the microbial world instead of fighting against it. There are way more of them than us anyway. There are 30 trillion bacteria just in our gut alone. It's like in The Nightmare Before Christmas when the boogeyman unzips his onesie and you see all the bugs all over his body. That's a more accurate portrayal of the amount of cells of microbial creatures that are on us versus human cells. We think it's all skin and pretty in human cells. Not so much. And when we live in fear and separateness with the earth and all of these creatures, we become weak as a species, and then dis-ease can occur. Classifying all bacteria, viruses, and fungi as bad is a generalization. There are good ones, and they create our immune system. It's the communication that we have with them that builds our immune system. We don't have an immune organ. And by living fearfully sterile, we are ignoring all this information that they're giving us all the time, and that's how we evolve with them. When we also are in contact with nature and we have been ignoring what these microbes have been telling us about building immunity or building a certain antibody, we are going to crash and burn. It's like going to another country and not knowing the language at all. If you try and talk to somebody or communicate and you really need something, they're gonna have no idea what you're saying. You are lost in the sauce completely. So by living fearfully in a completely sterile state, like all of these microbes are bad, we're ignoring all this information that the microbes are trying to tell us about the environment around us, really, so that we can co-evolve with them. But instead we're like, nope, not having it, not listening. Then now when we are out in nature, we're gonna get sick probably. Pathogenic microbes will want to invade us and use us as a host because they're just trying to thrive. They're just trying to live their best life. And if we have an optimal situation for them, they're going to jump on in. But if we can't ward them off and be like, whoa, this is not your home, too many of you, bye. Well, then, yeah, we're going to get sick because we just ignored all the information that the microbes have been trying to tell us for so long. So it is important to have sanitary protocols, absolutely. But retreating and separating to an us versus them war is weakening us as a species. The key to health and survival is to evolve through adaptation with our environment so that we can all thrive together.